This is By the Slice, the show where Big Dave eats like a sport and reviews like it owes him money. Today, he's on his way to pick up a pie made in a private kitchen by someone connected to a long-gone London pizzeria. No names, no storefront, no license. Just a message, a pickup time, and a man who's already sweating through the anticipation. If you want to know how he got the slice, you'll have to text or email him. He's not blowing up anyone's spot, just his calorie count. Let's join him now, as he rolls up to the undisclosed location, shaped like a beanbag chair, left out in the rain.
Oh my goodness, how are you, brother?
Good, buddy. How are you?
I'm good. Oh, I watch your videos all the time.
Oh, do you?
Buddy? All the time. I love it.
I appreciate that, man.
All the time. So
Perfect.
good to see you.
Well, you know I couldn't pass this up, right?
Oh, I love it, buddy. I love it. Yeah. Did you pay online or?
No.
Yeah, so $37.50.
Perfect.
We good?
We're good.
Oh, great to see you, buddy.
Good to see you, man. Thanks
you.
again, eh?
Thank you, David.
Okay, bro. Welcome back. By the Slice, Big Dave. Something special today. This is a pizza that was available in London for a very long time. Can't say the name. You know, it's kind of black market pizza. I don't know if I'm going to shut comments off in this video or not, having people commenting where they think the place is, or just I won't respond to anyone where they might think the place is. I'm not sure what we're going to do. I thought maybe for people who want to go here, I'm not sure how many people, I'm not sure how we're going to do this, but if you text me at this number or email me at this email, give me a screenshot to prove that you are a subscriber, and I'll respond with how you might be able to get this pizza if you want one in the future. Not cheap at $40. Keep that in mind. This is a large $40 pizza. Happens only every once in a while. I'll tell you how to get in touch with them when they do it if you're a subscriber. Let's look at the pie. It may not be any good. This may be for nothing. I doubt it. There we go. Let me get this box. Yeah, we're gonna have to take some pictures of this thing. Look at this thing. This thing is an absolute work of art. Look at the color. You can see she's just a little darker on the edges. That's what we like to see. Everything goes right to the edge. There's no giant crust. When they say you're getting this size pizza, they're not putting 2 inches of crust on that you're going to give for dog bones. This thing, cooked in a proper stone oven. Let's get it out and have a look. Oh, I lost some cheese. Darn it. Put that right back on there. Okay. Let's look at this thing underneath. Look at the color. Look at the color on this thing. A little bit of cornmeal. I'm going to put my cheese back on here before I take my bite. Oh, I'm just going to take the cheese. Look at the butter fat on the top of that cheese. Look at that thin crust. Perfectly cooked all the way through. Look at the color. Oh, and the sauce. God, I forgot how good this sauce was. This sauce is amazing. What do you have for a criticism on this pizza? I've only ever had one criticism of this pizza. I'd like to see the pepperoni on top, not underneath. Other than that, perfection. Perfection. What do you give this thing? For me, maybe not for you, but for me, this thing's out of this world. It's a 9.3. 9.3 secret pizza. Expensive. Is this something you'd eat? Let us know below. Hit the like button, subscribe, share, look for us next time. I'm Big Dave, and this is Dave Eats. Big Dave!